All right, y'all. Yes, sir. We about to head out, man. But before we leave, I want to shout out to you for being on the page, for tuning in. You already know this is Trading for Trappers. Take risks and profit. I'm excited about this video, man, because this is my first time introducing somebody else who from the trap that actually trades, man. So I just wanted to, let my brother do a quick, brief interview and inspire some of y'all, tell y'all about his trading journey, how he got started, what his results have been like, and just give you his real story, man. Because if you from the trap, I'm trying to tell you, yo, if you knew about trading, man. So you know what I'm saying? There's not a lot of people that know about trading from the trap. That's why this page is here. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you subscribe, man. But I want to introduce somebody special to me. There's gonna be somebody special to y'all because you definitely gonna see them level up in this trading world. But shout out to my brother Lucci, man. You know what I'm saying? Some of you guys know him as Mikey, but from the trap, his name is Lucci. You heard? Talk to him, man. Let him know. Let him know your trading journey.
Yo.
You know what I mean? When you start trading, bro. Matter of fact, where you from?
Yo, originally I'm from Brooklyn, New York. You know what I'm saying? Born and raised. Your boy's from the 90s to be exact. You know what I mean? No relative to Possible Confetti and them, but those are the guys, man. They come from the same trenches. Just to show you as a black kid in the ghetto, you can do it too, right?
Straight up. Yo, so tell me, growing up, bro, how much was people running around the hood telling you about investing, trading, and investing stocks? Like, was it anybody around doing that?
Yo, actually, it wasn't. You just hearing a lot of white noise, for better lack of word. You know what I mean? And what happens is you pay attention to a lot of propaganda. It kind of like shadows the actual of the shit. You know what I mean? So it was a lot of stuff about Ponzi schemes going on and, wake up now and all that mess. So it made it hard for somebody to engage on the information to see how, like, yo, bro, this is some information is an imperative to a future. Like, a lot of you guys don't know about the cash flow quadrant, but we're going to go on that a little later.
Straight.
But understand there's only 5% of people in that quadrant. We got to change that narrative, people.
Straight.
But as far as that, man, my man Eddie O.T., bro, he dropped it on my lap. At first, I didn't really believe it. You know what I'm saying? He did a few things. So one day, in the trap, you know what I'm saying? I'm rolling up my spliff, carrying on in the passenger seat, playing Max B. You know how we do when we in the trap, right? And I say, yo, I'm just going to mess around. At this time, it was a MetaTrader 4. Let's go and mess around. I'm looking at foreign exchange pairs and things like that, right? So I think at this point, I was looking at the cross between, I don't know if it was Euro and US or JPY, whatever. But I was messing around with one of them, bro. And, bro, when I say I just caught the luck of the Irish just messing around. So at this time, I just dropped something in there, bro. And it's crazy because I forgot to get out of it. I ain't put no stop loss on none of that. I'm out here just cowboy trapping, right? For bad like a word. And, yo, would you believe that thing turned to $500? I caught this man so quick. I say, yo, bro, so you mean to tell me.
Like, this shit for real?
You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, so I can go ahead and pull this out right now. And it's mine. He's like, yo, bro, you could deposit that right now, bro. I said, stop playing, bro. I deposited it, bro.
You ain't never been back.
That's all I needed. So just moving forward, man, I lost mad money in this. I'm just going to keep it honest with you. You're going to lose a lot of money. But what you got to do is change your paradigm complex when it comes down to this. You can't go into this with a gambling mindset, and you will. If somebody tell you, oh, you're not going to gamble, bro, you're going to do it. 'Cause that's what we're used to. That's what they taught us in this society to gamble, right? So we're fixed with that thinking. Get away from that, bro. You got to change your way of looking at money, right? Because we don't want to be speculative traders. We want to move with the banks and the hedge funds and when they make the movements, right? So over time, right, I just started tapping in. I'm going to be honest, I was a snail to the information. Not really, doing a 6 months or 3 months hardcore. Like, I was picking it up, dropping it, picking up, dropping it. But as I got to it, like, you keep losing money. You listen to all these inspirational videos, a lot of this stuff. You know what I mean? But I'm going to get straight to the cookies and butter about it, bro. Dump your money in it, bro. And I'm going to tell you this. You will learn risk management. It's going to humble you. But I'm going to tell you this also. In the humbling of it, bro, this is your education. This is your college. You know what I mean? This is what's going to propel you into respecting, you know what I'm saying, the structures. You're going to respect it for what it is.
I like that.
You know what I mean?
I actually want to feed on that, right?
Yeah.
You just talked about, like, you know, college and education. And when you come from the trap, you know, like, the way people get an education is different. They might not go to college, but they might go to the school of hard knocks.
Word.
So tell me about, from an overview, if I've never been to the hood or the trap, give me some activities that people do for money in the trap.
Yo, man. Unfortunately, bro, it depends on how far, it depends on what you into. But people do whatever to get whatever. You know what I mean? As for me, I was trapping bud. You know what I'm saying? You know, some other things, but like we want to stay YouTube friendly, right? But
Now compared to that, right?
Yeah.
Compared to those risks that you was taking to trading, which one was more risky and more lucrative than the other?
That's a good question. Honestly, bro, all of them made the money when we look at the multiplier for what the substance you out here trapping. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie, bro. The Skittles. If you know what I'm talking about, Skittles. Skittles was definitely my money maker. But I'm definitely gonna tell you one thing, man. It takes away from you, bro. It's something you gotta keep looking over your shoulder every 5 minutes. And on top of that, what's going on with the Skittles? They're not the Skittles that we like so much anymore, right? So
Trap ain't the same.
it's just not the same, brother. So you just want to leave this shit alone completely. You know what I mean? If anything, when you hustling and whatever, the only thing you want to stand up against, bro, is just simply losing your money, not your freedom. So it definitely changed my paradigm complex on this, bro. And I'm telling you, bro, I take it easy. You know what I mean? Yo, I just blew an account the other day, bro. I just dropped $50 and I just blew the account, bro.
Talk about that, yeah. Talk about flipping a small account. What your experience was with that?
So I blew that account and I had like $18 in there, right? So I got paid. I'm like, yo, I'm about to dump back in. Mind you, bro, this was the same devil on my shoulder that's been talking for over the 4 or 5 years, bro. Dump back in. Guess what I did? I didn't dump back in. I just used the $18 because in my mind, whether it's 18 or 18,000 or 1,800, it doesn't matter, just a decimal place. And you will notice by lot sizes, right? So it's just the strategy. If you have the strategy, it doesn't matter the amount of money you have in there, bro, you can bring it back. And guess what happened? I brought that thing back up to $57 in that one day, right? And this is somebody that doesn't focus on trading all the time, like how you know how people with the 3 monitors and they stay all. Bro, I'm a truck driver. You know what I'm saying? I drive trucks, bro. Bro, I do other things that keep me off of trading, but it's to show you that in my time of me not paying 100% to the trading, I'm still also able to make money, bro. So it just lets you guys know, like, yo, bro, it's not whether you can do this or not. That's not the question. The question is, are you coachable? The question is, can you learn from your mistakes? The question is, can you change your thinking pattern of like, yo, you know what? Let me not gamble. Let me not get greedy, right? Let me just take what the pips in the markets give me for today. Because, bro, I'm going to be honest with you. The markets could be going in your favor, but there's certain hours of the day, bro, and certain days of the week, bro, where the markets are doing something, bro. And those somethings is out of 4 things, right? I'm not going to tell you. Subscribe and join the channel. But those 4 ways how the market moves, right? And I'm going to tell you that. 'Cause I can't give you it all for free now, right?
You got to work for it.
Yeah, you got to work for it.
Nobody cares, work harder.
You know what I'm saying? But once you understand that the market only moves in these 4 ways, bro, it literally simplifies everything in the movements, bro. It doesn't look matrix. It doesn't look like rocket science after that, bro. Once you understand a pair or whatever money whatever you're looking at, once you understand how it moves, because you gotta understand everything has an identity and a personality. Stocks move off of us, right? So if you know people work 5 days a week and they're off Saturday and Sunday, guess what money is doing? Off Saturday and Sunday. So to stop moving outside of that diagram of the shit. You know what I mean? When you wake up in the morning, what do? You're slow to wake up. What is the market doing? It's trying to catch up. It's either doing a retracement or consolidating, coming out of a break. Oh, I'm saying too much. Just follow, bro.
I got two
Just
more
follow.
questions for
Yeah,
you.
go ahead. What's the other one?
All right, so you speak Chinese?
Konnichiwa. I don't, but yeah.
Because you know a lot of people be saying like the charts look like Chinese, man. Realistically, how long did it take you to kind of get a basic understanding of how to read candlesticks?
I'm not gonna lie, it took me a while. Because what happens is, this is what I mean by being coachable. You think you know, and then there is the no. You know what I'm saying? So it took me a while because I thought I knew, right? Oh, I'm looking at the hairs. I'm looking at the bullish. I'm looking at the bear. The candle is going this way, but it's turning around. Bro, let me tell you something, bro. Japanese candlesticks is one of the oldest models of math in history when it comes to this, bro. If you look at Japanese candlesticks, bro, I'm pretty sure it came out before algebra, bro. Like, I'm being honest with you. If you understand this, you take your time to learn it and understand how it moves. The shit is amazing, bro. And shout out to the whole Asian hemisphere, bro, for even giving us a foundation to even look at numbers, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's all we trying to do here, right? Yeah, so, yeah, that's Japanese candlesticks. It's going to take you a while, but again, bro, your learning curve could be very short, bro, if you just let go, say you don't know, and take in the proper, right information, and you'll be good.
Perfect, man. All right, last question to close out, man.
Mm-hmm.
If you could talk to anybody from the trap or even the younger you, man, and you could let them know about trading, what would you say to them, bro?
What I would say, that's a good question. Damn, man. Yo, Ed, I would tell you, bro, lock in, cancel the noise outside of you, bro. And understand that, propaganda isn't just to sell you information to have you in a hamster wheel, bro. Propaganda is also out there to keep you confused. If this shit was easy, I'm telling you, bro, everybody will be doing it. There's a reason why there's a select few, like how it's quoted back earlier about the cash flow quadrant. There's only 5% of people that are actually trading. Like, you know what I mean? So that's to show you there's a secret that nobody wants you to know. Like, you know what I mean? So understand that people move in groups. It's a group thinking that goes on. Like, you know what I mean? So once you understand that and you understand, like, yo, bro, like, I can't express this to people that don't want to understand whatever case. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, you'll be crawling up an oak tree all your life, bro, trying to get people in on this, bro. It's not for other people, bro. If you have the interest and your interest is sparked into this, bro, and you know in your heart that this shit makes sense to you, bro, keep going with it. And then when you get your wins, bro, don't broadcast them, bro. Please, I'm telling you, they're going to shoot you in your foot. You get what I'm saying? Keep them to yourself. Do back testing. Keep rehearsing. If you learn a certain method how you doing it, bro, perfect that craft, bro. And I'm telling you, bro, after that, bro, you're going to start looking at the markets. I'm like, oh, I know where it's going. You ain't even going, bro, I'm telling you, you're not even going to have to drop anything no more. You're going to look at like, okay, new higher highs, lower lows. Okay, this is where all right, so it's gonna come back down and retest because there's money in this area. Bro, I'm telling you, I learned all of that from mistakes. You know what I mean? Because guess what now? Guess what you and your money have in common? You guys love each other, so you're emotionally connected to that. So take that and understand that, right? And use that as a pushing mechanism to push you forward. Not to give up, but to say, yo, bro, you took my money. Like, use that and to propel you. And I'm telling you, you're gonna remember, bro. Like, if somebody slapped you in your face, you're not just gonna forget them tomorrow, bro. You're gonna remember the times. I remember the times. This money slapped me in my face. I remember the times when we first met. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Michael Jackson. I can't sing, but I'm just trying to get you guys to engage and understand this shit, bro. Look, listen, bro. This is for you, bro. Take it personal, bro. Learn from your mistakes, my G, and you're gonna be good with this, bro. And bro, understand that Rome wasn't built in a day, bro. It's gonna take you some time, bro. You know what I mean? And for people that are Christian, it took God to give us 7 days and 7 nights to give us this. So think about it. And this is the world, like, you know what I mean? So when we start looking at things, bro, everything takes time. Like, even diamonds, bro, like, it has to undergo pressure. Pressure does what? Takes time. Pressure busts what? Pipes.
Straight up.
Let me not even preach anymore, man. But yo, man, like.
So the same way I could go on the block and I could hit up John and be like, yo, let me get an ounce, is the same way I could go into the markets and drop my own money. I don't need to
Straight
be a
like
part
that.
of no company or nothing like that.
Straight like that. Straight like that. Yo, bro, look, listen. You're gonna take a risk, bro. That's what life is about. But what risk are you willing to take? You know what I'm saying? What risk is worth it, bro? You know what I'm saying? Cause if you go ahead and say, yo, I'm not fucking with trading. All right, I'm not fucking with selling weed. I'm not fucking with doing. Bro, listen, you're gonna have to mess with something. Like, just pick a evil. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm gonna pick something that's gonna, if I know if I excel at this is gonna propel me, bro. Go ahead and keep trapping weed, bro. Go ahead and keep selling them pills, bro. Go ahead, do all of that. And I'm telling you, bro, the success rate when you actually get a diploma from it is nowhere near to what the success rate would be if you're trading and you understand a pair, bro. My G, do you understand? And I gotta get closer on this. If you learn for a year using small risk management, it's like $100 to $100, whatever. You get that comfortable, bro. You know what you could then turn that $100 to? Yo, give me 10,000. You take that 10,000, put a little standard on it, cause you've been practicing this trading strategy. You put that thing in the standard, bro. The thing moved the same pips. The market's gonna move the same way. Do you know what that money gonna turn into, bro? You can change lives, not just only yours, bro. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Keep this to yourself. This is not for everybody, bro. This is why it's 5% on the cash flow quadrant. It's 5% of people trading, bro. If man, I just don't know what to tell you. But look, stick with it. Stick with it, bro. Build bricks for the right building. This is the building to build bricks to, bro. And when you build it, bro, don't give nobody the keys.
Straight up, man. Tell them where they can find you, man. Tell them where they can stay connected with your trading journey and everything else you got going on, man.
Yo, you can follow me at DeLuciano. That's the Luciano. I'm on IG. You know what I mean? You can hit me up. Yo, I'm a friendly person. I love giving information. If I see that you're interested, bro, we could work and build this thing together. You know what I'm saying? We don't hold money. There's too much money out here, bro. It's enough for everybody. But yo, at the end of the day, we gotta put a price on it for you to respect it. You know how the game go. You know what I'm saying? Pimpology 101, man. You know what I'm saying? So understand that this world about pimps and hoes. Which one you want to be? You know what I'm saying?
Straight up.
Straight like that.
Yeah.
Like Goldie said. You know how she chose me, nigga. The money chose me, nigga. Fuck you talking about. You know what I mean?
Gang just turned up, man. This was an epic interview, man. Listen, if you from the trap, I hope you watch this thing the whole way through. I'm going to watch this a couple times because that was inspiring to me. You feel me? There's not a lot of people that come from where we come from that find a way to make it out and then give back to other people, man. So this is my brother right here, man. I die for cuz, you heard? So understand when you see me trading, he locked in on the charts too, man. You already know, man. All we do is numbers. Yo, turn up. Trading for the trappers. Yo.